Hello, maybe you've been wondering how to solve some differential equations. Now, here is a topic, a video to help you solve that. So, today we start with product rule. We show you how product rule is used to solve differential equations. Now,
What is
what
the
is
product rule
product
for
rule?
differentiation? We use the product rule when differentiating terms that consist of the product of two functions. Here are some examples of functions that would require the product rule for differentiation. The product rule is described by the formula shown here. Many students prefer not to memorize the formula directly, opting instead to visualize it as a cross-multiplication grid, as demonstrated in this example. Notice we have two distinct functions. It doesn't matter which function you label as f and which you label as g. Underneath each original function, write its derivative. Then, to apply the product rule, we multiply diagonally upwards, taking the derivative of f multiplied by the original function g. We then add the diagonal.
Solve that. Now, let's use example and explain further. If y is equals to 3x squared plus 2 multiplied by 4x minus 3, find y prime. So we let u is equals to 3x squared plus 2 and v is equals to 4x minus 3. So u prime would be 6x and v prime would be 4. So y prime will be u prime, which is 6x times v 4x minus 3 plus u, which is 3x squared plus 2 times v prime, which is 4. Opening those brackets, we have 24x squared minus 18x plus 12x squared plus 8. So simplifying further, we have 36x squared minus 18x plus 8. That's how we do it. So this one, 2, if you have x, y is equals to x cos x. So let u is equals to x and v is equals to cos x. So u prime is 1, v prime is equals to negative sin x. So y prime is equals to u v prime plus v prime v. So this one will be u is x, y prime is negative sin x plus u prime is 1 into v, which is cos x. So this one will give us a negative x sin x plus cos x. This is y prime is cos x minus x sin x. 3 y is equals to x cubed natural log of x. So u is equals to x cubed and v is natural log of x. So u prime is equals to 3x squared and v prime is 1 over x. So y prime is equals to u prime v plus u v prime, and this is u prime is 3x squared, v is natural log of x, plus u is x cubed, v prime is 1 over x. So this one will be 3x squared natural log of x plus, of course, this is x squared. So we have 1 minus 2x sine x. So how do you solve this if this is your y? So y prime is said will be u prime v plus u v prime. So let u is equals to 1 minus 2x So v prime u prime will be equals to negative 2. So v will be sin x, implying that our v prime will be cos x. So y prime will be u prime to negative 2v, which is sin x, plus u 1 minus 2x cos x. So simplifying this, we have y prime is equals to negative 2 sin x plus 1 minus 2x cos x. Number 5, we have x power 3 e to x. So we let u is equals to x cubed. So u prime will be 3x squared. V is equals to e to x. So v prime will be 2e exponent 2x. So y prime is equals to u prime 3x squared into v plus u x cubed into 2e to x. So this one will give us 3x squared e to x plus x cubed 2x cubed e to x.